Now I'm going to get puppy in my pocket and the baby with the cream and the milk, and I'm going to get baby in my basket.
Okay, what would you like for Christmas?
Puppy in my pocket, the baby with the cream and the milk, and the baby in the basket.
Okay, but what would you like for Christmas?
I told you that.
What did you tell me?
I want the baby with the basket and puppy in my pocket and the baby with the cream and the milk. So that's it.
So who wants that for Christmas?
Me.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay, but what do you want for Christmas?
I told you that. I told you that, Daddy.
What did you tell me?
I want puppy in my pocket and baby in my basket. The baby with the cream and the milk.
Okay. What other kind of thing would you like, though?
The big boat and onion and Cookie Monster and big noni and Cookie Monster and big boat.
Don't you have those toys already?
Yeah, but I can't find them. They're lost. I lost them.
Did you?